Okay guys, here's where we go pulling into the house. As you can see, it's got a little bit of good front appeal here. You've got two parking places right there as you come towards the front of the house. You've got kind of another little slip in there. And then of course you've got the two-car garage right here. So let's proceed into the house. Let me step back. This is kind of what you see when you walk in. As you walk in, you've got your dining area kind of right there. As you come in, you've got really good windows facing towards the lake all the way down. Over to the left, wood-burning fireplace with gas starter. So I'll walk towards that way first, and then I'll kind of swing you around. Again, good windows all the way through, looking back towards the kitchen. Coming up, give you a taste of the vaulted ceiling. We're going to kind of go up a little bit, so you can see kind of what we're doing there. Come back down. Great seating kitchen here. All right, looking back towards the front door. Good windows for lots of light. Coming back through here. Here we are in the kitchen. Really plenty of space. Plenty of counter, storage, you name it. They've got it, I think. They've done a good job. The refrigerator's out because they've winterized, so they pull that out. This is the pantry right here. I turn it like this so you can get an idea. Plenty of storage. Alright, I'm going to pop out. This is from the garage. I'll just go ahead and walk in here since we're there. Coming down here, just a few steps. A little messy right now. All the stuff's dragged in from outside. This is a little mechanical room, but just gives you some extra storage, right? Okay, let's come back around. Sorry. All right, let's walk back up the house. Headed towards the master bedroom next, which is to the right as you enter. This right here is a little cloak closet. Close that back up. This is as you're walking in. It's going to be a little dark, sorry. I had a lot of stuff turned on. But plenty of windows, right? So we're walking over here. Good windows for the lake view. We're walking into the master bath. Here's kind of what the master bath looks like. You've got a little closet right here for all the goodies. Master bath, master bath. Window above for natural light. We've got another closet in here. Let's see if I turn it this way. That'll give you a little idea of space. Come over here to the walk-in shower, which is pretty great. Window above. Good space. Lots of shower heads. Over here is the toilet room. In the toilet room there's also just another little storage closet under the stairs going upstairs to the garage. You also got stackable washer and dryer in here as well. So let's walk out. Wayne will go upstairs. This is the space upstairs I was telling you about. That's kind of finished off as kind of extra sleeping, playroom, and then he kind of finished off as part of an office for him. So this is where they had the dividing doors. Full bath, sorry, bear with me. This is what he's created. Plenty of windows. And here's the bath. With a shower as well. Kind of right there. Okay, let's walk out of here. So really, this is good space. can be the pool room, everything room. Let's walk downstairs. Going to show you the real coup d'etat, which is outside, of course, in this huge screened-in porch. All right. Here, the doggy door for the dogs to go out. Walk down very easily. But as you can see, just great space. Tons of great space. What's cool too, plenty of trees on the left or right, so you'll never really feel the neighbors. They did create this additional deck space out here for grilling. So he just did this, I think, this year. So, not a bad lake view. You're looking over towards Still Point. All right, let's go back in. We'll go to the guest suite area. What's cool too is there's a door that totally shuts that whole wing off, which is nice. If you don't have guests, you don't need that open. You can always keep it closed. So, as we discussed before, there's one bonus room. The first room to the left is considered a bonus room. Plenty of light. It's a bonus room because there's no official closet in here, right? They got a nice big armoire. But there is a full bath right off here. And we'll swing off out as we walk out from there. Back into the hallway. This little sliding door is a stackable washer and dryer for the guest side. So that was guest bedroom 1. Here comes guest bedroom 2. Again, really good size, good space, big windows, and good closets. They've got separate doors, but the closet's one of those closets that goes all the way through. So get a little push out back. There. We'll go to the bathroom here, as you can see. Drop in. Good windows above. As we walk out, go back into the hallway, we go to bedroom number 3, which in itself is a good size space as well. Big windows. And the same type of closet. And the same kind of bathroom as you see from below. Okay. Walking back out. Back to the hallway, back out to the main core. And there you go. And that's pretty much a basic tour.